In this video, you are going to learn method to examine consistency or inconsistency of homogeneous system of two linear equations in two variables. That is a1x plus b1y is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y is equal to 0. And three linear equations in three variables. a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to 0, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to 0. Now, you know the system of linear equations ax is equal to b is said to be homogeneous if the constant matrix is a null matrix. A coefficient matrix, x variable matrix, b is constant matrix. Here constant matrix should be 0 because this is 0, 0 and 0. Here also 0 and 0. So first we need to, this is given to you, ax is equal to b. First we need to evaluate determinant of a. Either it is not equal to 0 or it is equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, we have a unique solution, also called trivial solution. Trivial solution means all the three values x, y and z, they are 0. And if it is equal to 0, we have infinitely many solutions. And this has to be verified. This is what I am going to explain you with examples. Yeah, one thing has to be kept in mind, that if determinant of A is equal to 0, this is non-trivial solution. And if it is not equal to 0, determinant of A is not equal to 0, it is called trivial solution. This trivial and non-trivial should be kept in mind. So, few examples. So we have three homogeneous linear equations in three variables. Homogeneous because the constants are 0. First step is to find the coefficient matrix. The first column consists of coefficient of x, 1, 2 and 1, coefficient of y similarly, and coefficient of z. This is a variable matrix and it's a constant matrix. It's a null matrix. It is because of this it is called homogeneous. First step is to find the determinant of A. I have done it by expanding along the first row. It is equal to 0. Therefore, the given system of equations has non-trivial solution which has to be verified using the third equation, which we don't take. So I'll select any two equations, first and second. Z is k, so x plus 3y is 2k. And second, 2x minus y is equal to minus 4k. Again, I get a coefficient matrix, 1, 2, coefficient of x, 3 and minus 1, coefficient of y. I get a variable matrix and a constant matrix in terms of k, 2k and minus 4k. Determinant of A is minus 7. That means the A inverse exists. X is equal to A inverse B. We know this. This is X variable matrix, A inverse into B. By multiplying we get minus 1 into 2k minus 2k plus 12k is 10k, and minus 4k minus 8k. By calculation, this minus 10k, this becomes plus 8k. X is equal to minus 10k by 7 and y is equal to 8k by 7 and z is k. Now, we have to substitute these values in the third equation. Third equation is this, x minus 11y plus 14z is equal to 0. The third equation. Now, we need to substitute the value of x, y and z. We find that it is equal to 0. Therefore, the final answer, x is minus 10k by 7, y is 8k by 7 and z is k, where k is any real number. Infinitely many solutions depending on k. It's a non-trivial solution. I'll take another example. Again, homogeneous equations in three variables. The coefficient matrix 2, 3, 4, coefficient of x, coefficient of y. and coefficient of z. It's a variable matrix and null matrix. Because of this it is homogeneous. So determinant of A is minus 13, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, given system of equation have trivial solution. That is x, y and z all are 0. It's called trivial solution. This is the second example. So we'll take another example this time. It is a homogeneous equation with two variables. So here in the same way, we find the coefficient matrix, coefficient of x in the first column, 1 and 5, minus 1, 2, coefficient of y in the second column. This is variable matrix and this is the null matrix, 0 and 0. First we need to find determinant of A, 1 into 2, 2, minus into minus 5 is, so it is equal to 7, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the given system of homogeneous equations can be written as this way: Ax is equal to the null matrix, and since determinant of A is not equal to 0, the given system of equation is consistent and independent. That is, it has a unique solution, trivial solution. X is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 0. This is trivial, remember. I'll take another one. It is homogeneous equations in two variables. The coefficient matrix, coefficient of x, 3 and 6. Coefficient of y, 4 and 8. The variable matrix and the null matrix, 0 and 0. The given system can be written as Ax is equal to null matrix. This is A, variable matrix, and this one. Determinant of A is 0. Since determinant of A is 0, the given system of equation is consistent and dependent. That is, it has infinitely many solutions. But it has to be verified. So, I am going to select any one of the two equations. Either this or this, but I am selecting here. And take y is k. If y is k, then x is equal to minus 4k by 3. I have written here. Y is k, then x is minus 4k by 3, where k is any real number. This is the final solution. That is, depends on k, it is dependent, consistent, and it has infinitely many solutions depending on k.
So children, this is just to explain you the meaning of trivial and non-trivial solution. You'll find in this case, I have explained these two questions I have discussed. So here you will find the ratio between the coefficient of x is 1 by 5, which is not equal to the ratio between coefficient of y. Whereas here you will find the ratio between coefficient of x is same as the ratio between the coefficient of y. Now, this is the case, that is, when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. It is consistent. And we say trivial solution in the case of homogeneous. Whereas here, when a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, we say infinite, and it is non-trivial. We say non-trivial solution. Now why? Because when I plot this, you'll find this is the equation of x is equal to y, or x minus y is equal to 0, and this will be the equation of 5x plus 2y is equal to 0, and they meet here, origin. So x is equal to y is equal to 0. Whereas here, if I multiply the first equation with 2, I get the same equation. So it is infinite solution. That is why here determinant of A, when we calculate, that is the matrix A, 1 5 minus 1 2, we get 7, which is not equal to 0. Whereas here, when we calculate determinant of A, we get 24 minus 24, 0. This is the case of infinite solution. This is the explanation. The solution I've already given you.